This is total about 15 meters of pressure hose pipe for Black&Decker and Bosch pressure washers, etc. It is 7.5 meter plus 7.5 meter hose connected by an extension connector. You can see it is easily connected with the gun of Black&Decker. Follow. Gun is obviously not included in the pipe set. This is the pin end. Both sides are the same. We also have similar pressure hose set of 10 meters plus 10 meters is equal to total 20 meters. So do contact us for all your requirements. Orion Engineering Company, Karachi. Thank you.